So, as many of us know in the wonderful world of custom paint jobs, things don't always go as planned, guys. I told you guys when I started this channel, I was not going to have any ego about things, and I was going to be completely transparent with you guys. I did 3 coats of pearl on this. I thought that would be plenty. I thought that would be great. It looked great under the lights from what I could tell, but when I got it outside, I noticed it was blotchy. That's because I didn't put enough coats of pearl on it, guys. You are trying to cover the black completely with this, and for some reason I thought it was good, but it wasn't. So what I've had to do is wait 2 days and sand it back down to 600. And the beautiful thing about it is I didn't get any runs or anything like that. Didn't have any other issues. So all we have to do is just apply more pearl coats and just make sure we got full coverage. So I will say, for my guys that watched the last video kind of as a tutorial type thing, double your coats, guys. Do 6 coats instead of 3 on the pearl, because ultimately doing stuff like this is the same as if you were doing it in a plastic dip application. Usually them guys put 8 to 10 coats of everything on and whatever else, but obviously I'm doing this in a paint way, so you kind of have to somewhat do the same, but I try not to put too much on. Anyways, you got to find that happy formula. But like I said, it's going to need a couple more coats. So luckily enough, I didn't activate all the clear, so I still have half a gallon of clear. I only put half a gallon on, so I should have went ahead and just thrown the whole gallon on, waited 45 minutes between coats, and really just coated it out until I was 100% certain I had complete coverage. Because that's the name of the game with this Colorshift stuff, guys. It's all pearls, so there you go. You got to get full coverage, and once you do, you're good to go, because it's a complete light effect. But anyways, I'm going to quit yapping. I'm going to mix up some clear, and let's put a couple more coats on this thing, and we'll finally get it out in the sun to see it, and I'll give you the complete rundown on it, how much it costs in materials. I'm going to itemize everything, you know. So let's get to it. Got everything cleaned really good with Prep All, guys. This is my container with the clear in it. There we go. Like I said, we got about half a gallon, so we should be straight. And I got my Vevor gun ready, guys. Like I said, tune in Thursday night, 7 o'clock. I'm going live. We're going to give away that set, as well as some various other prizes. So let's get to spraying. so if all you cared to see was a cinematic of how the CRV turned out, that is it, guys. It has finally been finished. After a lot of time, after a lot of trial and error and everything else, the CRV is finally finished in Colorshift. But if you're still here, then that means you want to see the rundown of everything. You want to see how much it costs. You want to see what it took, everything else. So that's what we're about to get into, guys. Well, to start off with, obviously you need a 2000 CRV. No, I ain't gonna go that far with it. But anyways, to start off with, you want to make sure your body work's done, and you want to sand everything down, clean it real good, prep it with 400 before you shoot it. As far as materials go, you're going to need the black Rustoleum. If you've got a car, I would say a quart or two. If you have a truck, I would say a gallon of it. Rustoleum has gone up in price since the last time I bought it. So that just is what it is right now in the current environment. But anyways, you're going to need black Rustoleum, gloss black, flat black, it don't really matter, either one. You're going to need a gallon of acetone to thin it. You're going to need the clear of your choice. I use Nason 2K because I got it from work for 80 bucks. A lot of people have suggested Speedo Coat 2K clear. It's 80 bucks for everybody, online free shipping. Go with that, guys, if you need a quick clear, or you can go to Tractor Supply and use the Tractor Clear, either one. Obviously, if you use automotive clear over everything, it will increase your efficiency, and it will cut down on your dry times, and you'll be able to move the car sooner than if you use the Tractor Clear or whatever else. So materials I used, $20 for the black Rustoleum quart. That's all I needed for a vehicle of this size. I needed acetone, that's another $20. I needed the pearl, that's off of a site called Did Spade. I'll put the link to that down below and name it and everything else. The color was CX34. It's a Colorshift pearl. I got two 25 grams containers of it, as you saw. Those were $60 shipped for both of them, so only 60 bucks for that. So we're up to 100 already. And then, of course, you need your clear with your activator, which is another 80 bucks. So all in total, we come out to $180 for materials, which, considering what these Colorshift paint jobs usually cost, upwards of thousands, if you spend it on like House of Colors or some of the high-end brands, it's utterly ridiculous, guys, what you can spend doing this stuff. So keep in mind, it is a little bit of a learning curve, especially if you've not sprayed tri-coats before or whatever else. But basically, you lay your black down, get 100% coverage on it. You don't have to wet it out or anything. It's just a basic base. Then I'm going to recommend 5 or 6 coats for complete coverage, guys. I know I said 3 in my previous video, but 5 or 6 is what you need to do, and that'll give you what you want. And if you feel even like taking this step further, then throw some more clear over top of it for extra UV protection. Obviously, you'll spend a little bit over $200 doing it that way, but it is what it is. The way I'm doing it, I've been doing it like this for years, and it pretty much works like a single stage paint, except it's in 2K clear, so it's got good UV protection, it holds its color and everything else. And yes, you can wax and buff it and everything, just as if you threw another clear layer over top, guys. So it really just comes out to what you're going for, and you can even throw matte clear over top and get a matte finish. So that's it, $180 total for basic supplies, paint supplies. Obviously, that's not including your tape and all that other stuff, but compared to thousands of dollars, what it used to be, this is the cheapest way I found to do something this crazy custom. So, and my wife, she's to the moon with it. She loves it. She hates that it was down longer, but she understood. I wanted to get it right for her. Obviously, the body work isn't 100%. This is not a show car. This is a daily driver. She's going to drive it, and she's happy, guys. And what? Happy wife, happy life with that stuff. So, anyways, that's kind of where I'm at with it, guys. Obviously, we got the giveaway tomorrow night, and I hope you're excited for it. I got some prizes to give away on top of the 3-gun set, so everybody won't be left out, and those prizes are only going to go to people that are on the live. So join the live. You could win some other prizes, some stickers, some pearls, and of course, we're going to announce the winner of the 3-gun Vivor set. Why did I keep, anyways, we're going to announce the winner of the gun set, guys. So we finally hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys, thank you very much for that. And man, I couldn't be happier, guys. We got more paint jobs coming up. Somebody asked for seeing metallic paint made through Rustoleum and a bunch of other crazy stuff, and I got cars lined up now that want stuff done, so we're gonna have content if nothing else, guys. But I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and in the comments drop me, let me know where you're from, guys. I want to figure out where everybody's at. I can read my analytics and all that stuff, but that's the question of the day. Where are you guys watching me from? Anyways, I appreciate you guys. God bless you. Have a good day, and I'll see you on the next one.